The United States, along with its allies, had relied on multirole fighter jets like the F-16 Fighting Falcon and the F-18 Hornet for decades. While these aircraft were highly capable, they had limitations in a rapidly changing world of advanced technology, new threats, and evolving geopolitical tensions. A new, cutting-edge aircraft was needed, one that could dominate the air, conduct precision strikes, provide intelligence, and operate in all combat environments. In 2001, the U.S. Department of Defense initiated the Joint Strike Fighter JSF program, with the goal of developing a next-generation multi-role fighter that could be used by the U.S. military and its international allies. Lockheed Martin, along with partners like Northrop Grumman and BAE Systems, was awarded the contract to design and build what would become the F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 was designed to be a revolutionary aircraft, capable of meeting the diverse needs of the U.S. military and its allies. It would be built in three distinct variants: the conventional takeoff and landing CTOL F-35A, the carrier-based F-35C, and the short takeoff and vertical landing STOVL F-35B. Each variant would be tailored for different operational environments, but all would share the same core technology, making the F-35 a truly joint platform for air forces, navies, and marines around the world. The development process was long and challenging. The F-35 program faced numerous delays, cost overruns, and technical hurdles, as is often the case with groundbreaking projects. Yet, through these challenges, the F-35 gradually took shape, and its first flight took place in 2006. What followed was a series of rigorous test flights and evaluations that would prove the aircraft's incredible potential. At the heart of the F-35's design is its unparalleled stealth. In an age where advanced radar systems are capable of detecting even the most advanced aircraft, stealth is the key to survival in the modern battlefield. The F-35 was built with a combination of radar-absorbing materials, advanced coatings, and a sleek design to minimize its radar cross-section. It can enter enemy airspace undetected, strike without warning, and then disappear back into the skies. The F-35C, with its larger wings and landing gear, is designed for carrier operations. It provides the U.S. Navy with a next-generation fighter that can operate from the decks of aircraft carriers, delivering precision strikes while maintaining air superiority in even the most contested environments. As revolutionary as the F-35 is, its development and deployment have not been without controversy. The program has faced its fair share of criticisms, particularly regarding its cost, delays, and technical challenges. At over $1 trillion, the F-35 program became one of the most expensive defense projects in history. Critics have questioned whether the benefits of the aircraft justify such an enormous price tag. Additionally, the program has faced significant delays, with several production milestones slipping years behind schedule. Despite its challenges, the F-35 is now a cornerstone of modern military aviation. With over 700 aircraft in service across 20 countries, the F-35 has become the most advanced and widely deployed fighter jet in history. It has proven itself in combat, from counter-terrorism operations in the Middle East to humanitarian missions around the world.